Hello? Yes, may I talk to the bag, please? Hey, what is up, baby? How you been? You know I'm good. You know I'm good. Yes. Huh? No, but they want to talk to you. Hi, YouTube. Hi, family. I love you, family. I'm DaddyyPrincess, and today we is talking about getting to that money, getting that guap, getting them side hustles on, getting to that bankroll, getting to that. Hello? What'd you say? No, let me see. I can't hear you, baby. Cause it's like smutty, you heard me. Today I am gonna be showing you guys and telling y'all how to stack money and save money and what side hustles to do. So if you are a college student or a young folk or really anybody, stay tuned. All right, so we're just gonna hop into it. Side hustle number one. And this is something that I'm a full-time student and I wasn't even aware of this until my last semester. I don't know what I was like thinking, but you can have a job at your school. Like if you're in college, you can actually work at the college. So first thing first, check out your school's job postings. Like check out and see what your college has to offer. Like what school type of job title you can have. They have like a student job board. And during COVID, the crazy part is you can work remotely. What that mean? That mean you can work from home. You don't have to leave your house and you can still get paid in your school to like work with your school. So they got jobs as like tutors, or you could be like an assistant, or you could help introduce kids to your school. It's all these jobs that you can do, and like most schools pay like slightly above minimum wage. Like my school pays $16.07. And so that's crazy. Like you're getting paid to do something that ain't even that strenuous. So that's number one to the side hustle, y'all. Check out and see what y'all schools got available for y'all. Side hustle number two. If you've been thinking about it and you really want to do it, start that YouTube channel. Start the YouTube channel. YouTube is where the money resides. The money live here, baby. It's waiting on you to just build a house on this here, on this here land. Build your house, start your YouTube channel, because I feel like there's somebody out there for anybody. And I was really apprehensive to start a YouTube channel, y'all, before I started one, because I was just like, dang. Like, it's like this fear of failing before you even start. I was nervous because I talk like a certain way, and I was like, if them people be talking about my accent on this here internet. And then I was like, what you care about more? Them folks talking about your accent or being broke? And I thought about it, and I really did. I was just like, damn, I care about being broke more, so I gotta change something. So I went ahead and started the YouTube channel. So I go ahead and I suggest y'all do the same. Start a channel, whatever you want to talk about, like try to get on there and then just go and build your community, because people will come, because y'all came here and then we family. Hi, family. I love you, family. So that is definitely what I recommend. If you're good at something, or even if you're doing daily vlogs, like you wouldn't believe how many folks is on here watching folks live their own day. Like even when I see it on my little explore page of YouTube, I click and I'm like, dang, I'm enjoying watching what this person did today. And you never know who would enjoy watching you do what you do on a daily basis. So definitely think about start your YouTube channel. Your career starts here. DaddyyPrincess told you to start that YouTube channel. I'm the first one that believe in you guys. You can do it. You can do it. Side hustle number three, if you guys haven't thought about it, I had like a couple of family members that was doing Postmates and Uber Eats and all the little things. I was just thinking like, they can't really be making no real money on it. But they making real money on that. So like if you got a car and a couple of extra hours, y'all, Postmates, Uber Eats, all of that. Like you basically just go, you get an order, you sign up for the app, and then people put their orders in, and then you be like, oh, I want to take this one. Say it's an order at chicken filet for like $15 or whatever. You go there, you get their order, whatever, it's in a little bag. You drive it to their house, you drop it off to them. And like side note, Postmates and all that really been booming because folks been in the house and they ain't wanted to come out. So like this is the time to jump on that. But you go pick their order up because they don't want to go get it, and then you drop it off right there at their house, and then you get paid through Postmates, and sometimes you even get tipped from the person. Like when I was helping my family member do this, like tips $10 here, $5 there, $3 here, $15 there. So you're getting tips and you're getting paid to drop these people food off. Bank. Take that bank, put it to the side so you can be ready to buy whatever you want to buy. Okay, side hustle number 4. Side hustle number 4 is probably kind of like obvious, but at the same time, not really that obvious. And it's finding something you good at and getting paid for it. I don't care if it's doing nails, if it's coloring hair, if it's doing eyelashes. You got friends that need that service done. And if you don't just do it if you horrible. Now, if you know you can't do hair, don't offer to do your friend hair and take that person's money. Because that's disrespectful. Don't do that. But like if you got talent, because you know, we out here blessed, baby. So if you blessed and you can do something that your friend is already paying to get done, offer her like a cheaper price. She go to get her nails done for $100. Be like, you know what, sis, I can do them same nails for $65, and show her that you can really do that. So anything that you good at, your friend going to get their hair braided for $300, be like, I can do it for $2. And you know, like you can build your clientele, because once folks start seeing your friend here, they're gonna be like, damn, who did that? And it's gonna be like, Daddy. And like then you already got your business right there. So definitely work on something that you're good at, because that could be like an amazing like side hustle that you didn't even know, and it could really bring in the change. You heard me? It could really bring in the coins, the bag, all that. So if you good at anything, like offer it to your friends for a discounted price. And then just let your work basically do the talking. Once you do the nails, once you do the hair, once you be like, ooh, try this outfit on me. People see them with that drip and they really walking with it. Then you already going to be building your clientele just through word of mouth. And your friend get a discount. So it's like everybody helping everybody. Okay. So the next side hustle is tutoring. You don't actually have to be in school to be this tutor. Like if you smart, you can go on like certain websites. Or you can post things at like your friend's school, or you can ask younger siblings, or you can ask older siblings. You can ask like family members on if they need like help, or if they know anybody that do need help, because tutoring is a big way to earn extra income. Like I didn't realize this many people actually needed like a tutor until I was looking into it, and folks will pay to get the education. So if you got a good grade and you're really good at something, if you're good at English and you got a good grade and you're now graduated, or you're still in college, but you want to help like school-age kids with it, just definitely put yourself out there on websites. And then you can just definitely be like, oh, look, a tutor. And you can also get paid for that. And last but not least, another thing that I used to do, y'all, back in the day, really not back in the day, but a little while ago, is you can get paid to answer surveys on survey websites. And I know sometimes you probably see this and you be like, that's a scam. But websites like Swag Bucks, for one, was definitely one of my favorites, where you just sign up, you create an account, and then they give you a dashboard and you can answer surveys, and it's like 20-minute survey for $15. You really get that $15 in your little account thing at the head, and then you can cash out for your favorite gift cards like Walmart, Sephora, Nike. You can cash out for any gift card, even Safeway, like even a grocery store. Any gift card that you can think about, you can cash out the funds that you made for those gift cards. And you're just answering surveys and clicking around on the websites. All right, you guys. So those are my top side hustle for young folk, college student, everybody in between, everybody all over the place. And it's really good to talk with you guys. I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, thumbs up this video, comment, hey Daddy, what you doing, and subscribe so you can see more videos from me. If ain't nobody told you they love you today, and even if they did, I love you. Mwah. Peace.